Welcome. In this video, we'll tackle the common problem of Outlook inboxes not updating automatically. While Outlook 2026 has improved significantly with features like AI-powered diagnostic tools, sync issues still occur due to factors like network instability, server outages, or compatibility conflicts with modern operating systems. We'll explore the reasons behind these issues and, more importantly, how to fix them using the latest tools and techniques available in Outlook 2026. Outlook stores email data in specialized files that are crucial for synchronization. These are the OST and PST files, and understanding them is essential for troubleshooting sync issues. OST files, or offline storage tables, are used for Exchange email accounts. They allow you to access your emails even when offline by storing a local copy of your mailbox data. When you're connected to the internet, Outlook syncs changes between the server and this local file. You can find OST files in your Outlook data folder, typically located in the App Data directory. This screenshot shows the Outlook folder containing the OST file for an Exchange account. Let's compare OST and PST files. OST files are for Exchange accounts and maintain synchronization with the server. PST files, or personal storage tables, are used for local storage of emails. They're commonly used with POP3 or IMAP accounts, or for archiving old emails. Unlike OST files, PST files don't automatically sync with a server. They're stored locally on your computer. You can create new PST files through Outlook's interface by going to New Items and selecting Outlook Data File. This creates a local storage container for your emails. Both OST and PST files can become corrupted, which prevents Outlook from updating properly. Corruption might occur due to sudden shutdowns, disk errors, or large file sizes. Symptoms include missing emails, sync errors, or Outlook freezing. When corruption occurs, Outlook may display error messages and suggest using the Inbox Repair tool to fix the damaged files. This tool can often recover your data without loss. Understanding OST and PST files is key to troubleshooting Outlook sync issues. When updates fail, checking these files for corruption is often the first step toward a solution. Incorrect server settings or authentication problems, such as an expired OAuth 2 token, can prevent synchronization. We'll walk through how to verify these settings. First, open Outlook and navigate to File, then Account Settings, and select Account Settings to access your email account configurations. Next, verify your server settings, including the incoming and outgoing server addresses, ports, and security settings like SSL. Make sure they exactly match what your email provider specifies. Then, check your authentication method. For OAuth 2, ensure the token hasn't expired by re-authenticating if needed. This is crucial for modern email security. Finally, test your account settings within Outlook. If the test fails, double-check the settings or reach out to your email provider for assistance. Outlook integrates with your operating system's notification center to deliver real-time email updates. This system integration ensures you receive instant alerts when new messages arrive, keeping your inbox synchronized without manual refreshes. However, certain system settings can disrupt this integration. Power-saving modes, such as battery saver or sleep settings, may block notifications to conserve energy. Similarly, virtual private networks can interfere with the connection between Outlook and your notification center. To ensure smooth integration, verify that Outlook has the necessary permissions in your operating system settings. This includes allowing notifications and background app refresh, which are essential for maintaining real-time sync with your email server. SyncSense AI automates troubleshooting by scanning Outlook logs and suggesting specific fixes. It emphasizes preventive maintenance like clearing your cache regularly. We'll demonstrate how to access and use this feature. The AI tool works by analyzing your Outlook's activity logs to identify patterns that cause sync issues. It then provides targeted recommendations, such as rebuilding cache files or adjusting account settings. To demonstrate, here's the SyncSense Assistant interface. The friendly robot helps guide you through the process. One common suggestion is to clear the cache, as shown in this example. The AI tool makes this process simple and safe. Here are the basic steps to access SyncSense. First, open Outlook and navigate to File, then Account Settings, and select SyncSense AI. Second, click the Run Diagnostic button to let the AI scan for issues in your Outlook setup. Third, Follow the AI's suggestions, which may include clearing cache or other maintenance tasks. Corrupted OST or PST files can prevent Outlook from syncing properly. These files store your email data locally. When damaged, Outlook may stop updating your inbox automatically. OST files are used with Exchange accounts for offline access, while PST files store data for POP and IMAP accounts. Both can become corrupted from sudden shutdowns or disk errors, leading to sync failures. First, ensure Outlook is completely closed. Right-click the Outlook icon in your system tray and select Close or Exit. This prevents conflicts during the repair process. For PST files, use the built-in inbox repair tool called scanps.exe. Search for Scanpist in Windows or find it in your Office installation directory, typically under Program Files. In the Repair tool, click Browse to select your data file. OST files are usually in Sent Local App Data Microsoft Outlook. Enable Show Hidden Files in File Explorer options if needed. Once selected, click Start to begin scanning. The tool detects corruption and attempts to repair it. If severe damage is found, it may create a backup and suggest creating a new file. For OST files, if the repair tool doesn't work, you can delete the corrupted file. Outlook will download your data again from the server. Make sure to back up important items first. Once repaired, restart Outlook and test your inbox sync. If problems continue, you may need to rebuild your Outlook profile or contact support. In some cases, the Outlook profile itself might be corrupted or misconfigured, causing sync issues. Rebuilding your Outlook profile creates a fresh start without losing your emails or accounts. First, open the Control Panel. In Windows, click the search icon and type Control Panel. Select the Control Panel app from the results. In the Mail window that opens, click the Show Profiles button. This displays your existing Outlook profiles, usually just one called Outlook. Click the Add button to create a new profile. Give it a name like Outlook New. Then, change the profile selection to Prompt for a profile to be used so you can choose when starting Outlook. Restart Outlook. When prompted, select your new profile. Outlook will guide you through adding your email accounts again, just like when you first set it up. If you need your old emails, go to File, Open and Export, Import/Export in Outlook. Choose Import from another program or file and select your old PST file. After setup, test your email sync. If problems continue, the issue might be server-side or require professional assistance. If you're experiencing sync issues with the desktop Outlook application, try using Outlook Web, also known as Outlook 365 Web 2026. This web-based version can help you determine whether the problem lies with the desktop app or with your account settings. Outlook Web provides the same functionality as the desktop app, but runs directly in your browser, eliminating potential conflicts with local software. It offers cross-platform parity and real-time synchronization for Exchange Online accounts. To access Outlook Web, simply sign in through your browser. The sign-in screen allows you to enter your email address and authenticate securely. Once logged in, you'll see the familiar Outlook interface with your emails and folders. In the web interface, you can check if emails are updating properly. If sync works here but not in the desktop app, the issue is likely with the local application, not your account. This helps narrow down troubleshooting steps significantly. Outlook 365 Web 2026 mirrors desktop reliability, making it an excellent diagnostic tool. If you encounter issues here, they may relate to your account or server settings, guiding you toward the appropriate fixes.